Hi, I'm Matt Squires, VP of Sales and Marketing at Alumagear. I'm here to introduce the Halo SL, the newest member of our Halo line. The Halo SL is a 360-degree personal safety and task light. It's designed to fit onto any standard hard hat by sliding and pushing it down. It won't fall off under any normal working conditions. Our patented retention clips allow the Halo to be put onto a hard hat without voiding its ANSI rating, unlike using zip ties to put your headlamp on the hard hat or other sticky-backed products. The Halo SL has two buttons. The larger button turns on the four 360-degree safety modes: dim, medium, high, and high alert, our pulsing function. You can cycle through these modes as fast as you can press the button. To turn it off, you just hold it down for 2 seconds. These modes allow the worker to be seen a quarter of a mile away in any direction. This is an active safety system, not relying on secondary sources of a light to illuminate the worker. The smaller button turns on the task modes. They are as follows: low task, perfect for work at hand level; high task, perfect for seeing at foot level; spot, casting a 50-foot spot beam; and flood, which is a combination of spot and high task. You can cycle through these modes as fast as you can press the button as well. To turn off the task modes, you can either hold the button for 1 second or cycle through to the off setting. You can tell how much power you have by our new battery life indicator lights. The Halo is powered by one 18650 lithium-ion rechargeable battery. To charge it, easily remove the battery and pop it into one of our 3 chargers. The Halo SL includes 1 battery and a single battery charger with USB and wall plug adapters. You can upgrade to our double battery charger. Or if you have larger crews, you can upgrade to our 8 battery charger, which is perfect for charging many batteries at a time. The Halo SL is IP67 rated, the highest rating for water and dust intrusion for products. Battery life ranges from 1.5 to 121 hours. 1.5 hours while in constant flood and high 360 mode, and 121 hours in dim 360 mode. Most of our customers find that Halo SL lasts through a full shift because they use a combination of all the modes. If you need more power, just simply have an extra charged battery on hand and switch it out. Thanks for watching, and stay connected and protected.